So how does adultery affect divorce in Wisconsin?
It could impact the outcome of your divorce action if during the adultery your spouse spent or gave away money to the person they're committing adultery with that was marital. So what we call marital waste for no good purpose. They gave away your assets to that person. Now, I will say it gets complicated with trying to prove that your spouse spent the money on the person they're having the affair with, because sometimes they're taking out cash or they're charging up hotel stays. I mean, you have to be able to link that your spouse spent it on someone doing something else for a non-marital purpose.
Can you press charges for adultery in Wisconsin?
No, ultimately that decision as to whether or not a prosecutor will attempt to charge someone with adultery is based on that individual prosecutor's discretion.
Can I go to jail for adultery in Wisconsin?
We are a no-fault divorce state, so the court doesn't look into the reasons why a marriage fell apart. So if the reason why a marriage fell apart is because of adultery, the court will never hear that. You will likely not go to jail for adultery. Adultery is still a crime on the books in Wisconsin, but prosecutors do not typically prosecute adultery because they have no longer made that a public interest worth using resources towards. It ultimately is up to the district attorney in your county to make that decision. But I will say, statewide, I have not seen a case of adultery being filed by the prosecutor's office in probably more than 100 years.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Your interaction with our content is greatly appreciated. Visit sterlinglawyers.com to learn more about our firm and meet our attorneys.